Hello everyone, I'm gonna start opening my HTC One. It had a little bit of water damage. I was able to open it and dry it a little bit so you guys can see that it is functional. I posted on XDA under the name Uhuhu that I was able to open it, and you can see it is working. Fully working, so touch, there's no issue with the touch and everything, just the USB port that is not charging at all. I don't know why. So I'm gonna start prying it open like I did before. Hopefully I'm not gonna break it, so let's pray it works. I usually start taking off the volume rocker because it's easier to start from here. You're not gonna break it because of this small plastic here, so you can pull out. There's no issue there. What I did the other day, I was starting to go this way in here and prying open, but since I used a super glue here, I have to break it before I start anything else. So let's start from here. You can see all the super glue that I use it here just to put it in position. You can see that it's a little bent because of the power I put in here in this side, trying to take this piece off, and it didn't work, so I tried the other way from here. Since this is metal, I'm not gonna be using it. I'm gonna be using the guitar pick. I usually go up a little bit to try open the lock that is here. It's quite hard to go inside here, so don't worry. You guys can see that it's already prying open a little bit, but yeah, it is. There you go. You guys can see, hopefully, that is a little bit like a millimeter or less already open here, so I can start going on the other side. As you can see, it's not that hard at all. Just a little bit of patience and you can get this side open. Of course, there's a little bit of glue here, so on the first time you try to open it, it's not gonna be easy at all. but keep trying. Not a lot of force, it's just a matter of how you put it inside. So you can see there's little clips that go here and here. I don't have a lot of light for you guys to see, but probably you guys can. The place is here, and there's another slot here. As you can see, I use the guitar picks to start, and I use these ones that I have no clue how it's called, and just to go on the side because it's easier to go in and pull up. Now I'm gonna use another one just to create a little pressure on this side, so I can take this pick here and start working, going up. I'm gonna use another one, so let's see how it does. There, it's better. And you can see that's almost fully open, and I can assure you this is a stock HTC One. I haven't changed this part at all, so there's no way I can be cheating on this. Hopefully I didn't glue everything in there too, so I think I did glue a little bit, so now I'm gonna have to try to use a method, anything to open it. See if I can scrape a little bit of this glue here. The problem of me having broken this part is that I don't have something to hold it in place and create a lever here to open it. I'm sorry about the lightning too. The lights. It's about 2 a.m. and everybody's asleep, so I can do this without people asking me why I'm doing, or the noises that we have at the house. This is the tricky part, to take it out, take this without breaking it. As you can see, it's a little bent already because of the pressure, so we have to be extra careful here. Let's put the lever here. People tend to use metal on these areas, but I think that with patience you can get it done without breaking the white stuff. See? It's open. Now everything you have to do is open this area here. I forgot to take the SIM tray, so I'm gonna leave this here. Probably I'm gonna edit this area, this part of the video, just to try to find something to take this SIM tray here. Hopefully a toothpick will do. It does. It works. Okay. Now we can continue to the other side of the phone. I did a little damage here, but it's just a copper stuff that is on the battery, on top of the battery, but it doesn't matter. Usually I just put something in here just to avoid losing this job already done. Now I start prying open the other side with the same type of tool, so I can go inside and press it. As you can see, it's a lot easier now, and then boom, there you have it. HTC, the impossible phone, is open. The original casing. Not sure if you guys can see if it is original or not, but I can assure you guys that it is. The phone itself, just to prove that it is the same phone. It took me around 14 minutes to open it. you can see that there is an issue with WhatsApp. That's because I'm using WhatsApp on another phone, so that's why. So same phone, everything working. Of course, it was a little bit easier for me because I had the phone already opened once. I don't know why, but I had an issue now. As you guys see, the power button is pressed again without the casing and everything. So yeah, I have an issue with the power button and the USB port. Okay, here you go. USB has a problem and the power button has a problem. Now I'm at the boot loop again, as it was before when I had the water damage. People say that the water damage indicator is this part here, but I think we have this one too. Probably both white stickers. There is no indication that I had any kind of damage here. Let's see if I can unplug this here. At least turn it off. Okay, I pulled a little bit of this here, so let's see if I can make it stop boot looping. See, we have something here that we can take it off probably. Yes. So yeah, the problem is the power button that is shorting, that is causing this boot loop, and my issue with power, with lack of charging, probably has to do with this area. So I think I'm gonna get a replacement to this part too. Hopefully I can get one. Okay, thank you guys for watching, and like I said on the XDA thread, nothing is impossible.